What up, guys? It'll be the first video I ever make about this shit, so if you hang around to the end, you're a real one. Probably should have started doing this earlier, but here we go. Don't mind the garage, a little dirty, a little cluttered, working around each other. 2010 Mustang GT 5-speed, 373 gears track pack car. Bought it this year, had some fun with it. It's got that weak little old 4.6 3-valve in it. I did cams, sounded good, ran good, but wasn't good enough. Decided today to actually start the project. Totally gutted it. Almost. Seat backs are in still on the back seat. Got to pull the deck out and do the trunk. Engine and transmission come next for that. It's getting a 6-liter LQ4. Gonna put a cam in it. It's a 240,000 mile takeout of a Chevy van. And we're gonna boost it. It's got rings gapped. Crank sitting back there. Head components. We're gonna do it. We're gonna garage build this. Get the swap done. Planning on using Holly Terminator. Yeah, street car that we're gonna make some power with, so stick around. Maybe the videos will get better. Maybe I'll remember to take more shit. Thanks.